Azim Palmer.
Yeah.
Vybze Kartel Nadine Palmer, 48-year-old Vybze Kartel.
Wow. Wakoshem Ted.
None is sentencing for life. Judges are 10 on the case, so there were 11 judges.
Okay.
Unya 10-1. There's a 10 judges. Eka say Yamfanin Kushim for life.
Okay.
One pet NAS baby when Yamfanan Kushim. They can't charge no. I was to be a friend of Barton.
Okay.
Say Wakum Barton, 27-year-old guy. Somewhere on the 14th of July 2013. About say a new Kum Barton.
Okay.
The second one, so if I to be Clive Lizard William. Somewhere on the 18th of November.
Yeah.
The second trial also started.
Here.
The longest standing trial in Jamaica.
Okay.
Because only 65 days in the DSM.
Wow. Somewhere
in March 2014, who saw guilty.
Okay.
Until around 3rd of April, and you see a sentence.
Okay.
The sentence in a by no could them for life.
Life in prison.
Judge be obekasa or say obetima ba say or baby defending no na ye no cry. It should be after 35 years.
Okay.
Enti Vybze Kartel. He's been very lucky.
Yeah.
We'll start with 2 others.
Yeah.
Yeah. Na ye no. Jury and our judge or no. As some of the abane say, 1 on held grounds.
Okay.
We have Vybze Kartel no him ye pa when you're swollen face.
Yeah, it's an animal. Yeah.
When you're protruding stomach. Before you can say.
Yeah.
I try say health wise no. Number 2, almost so many judges on the cases so. Okay. Because case where your case HM. So what case also in case where you need to recall judges are. Judges. And number 3, expenses. I be case we mono. Omunya. Scout me the room say you the compare evidence in this animal. Omunya. Into Vybze Kartel. One guy you need to intimidate all people who follow on Instagram.
Yeah.
But no remaining on Unquire Shatawali.
Yeah.
Was in the Godfather no.
Yeah.
Into he's the only Ghanaian na old jubilate pan. Of course, Tomboy is be jubilate man ko for bash and say on live stream where the can say be about Vybze Kartel and papa.
Yeah.
Tomboy say the Bean Festival no be in December no.
Or Hessel
between the Vybze Kartel aba.
Yeah.
And so cast Shatawali. O Godfather in the afanebra. Shatawali say he doesn't have the expenses to bring Vybze Kartel to Ghana.
Okay.
Into Hessel Beam. Bit my no question.
Na say shatter ni expenses na beam ewo.
Well,
because shatter so is kasi omunyi na.
Say not necessarily amount na bit me di o mabao. Connections crab bit me di nipa na.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Hesse beam. We lucky ya Vybze Kartel we all want to see him.
Yeah.
Ninyom ya tagi ewo Jamaica say too explicit, sexually explicit.
Yeah.
Into ono so many times ni abane ninyom say when ya mo Jamaica.
And so na number bia
Oko club your friend Asylum.
Yeah.
One of the most popular clubs in Jamaica. Ninyum, you're born from time a baby club no to time a band.
Yeah.
Emergency, or they ain't go too much into the story. Fees.